All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the 250 mid-roof, short wheelbase with 11,000 miles. White with the gray vinyl interior. Super nice, only 11,000 miles in this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage. Just go real quick. Your front bumper, boom, looks fantastic. The car really looks good. The front bumper looks good. Your hood looks good. Your fender here looks good. Your front passenger steel wheel looks good. Front driver's steel wheel, sorry. Tire tread over 7/32. This door looks good. This side looks good. We got some dings, very small, but they are there and they be seen. They apparently, use the light, they apparently cannot, oh, just passed one up right there. Boom, right there's one, right there's another one. They're hard to see. It's a couple of heavy scratches here. Boom, 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 you can see those, and a few dings around it. Here's your rear passenger, rear driver steel wheel, and your tire tread. Wait, and your tire tread is at under 7/32, above 4. You got power windows, power door locks, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. Very nice. Does have a little hole right there, little pinhole. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manual, still wrapped up in its package. Super nice. Turn it on for you guys. All right, you got your does not have a radio, guys. Just want to let that be known and clear. Does not missing a radio here. Does have AC controls. They work. All right, everything works here. Even your button here works. Just missing the actual radio. Got a couple of little pinholes on the dash. Another hole there. Another hole there. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Seems to be about 5 on the dash. You got another 3 right here. Okay. Just to know it again, no radio. Of course, this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 11,730. 11,730. Looks good. All right, keeping it moving. 2 keys, owner's manuals, coming around. Rear bumper looks pretty decent. Your door looks good. These doors do swing out. Boom. This one, likewise on this one. On the short wheelbase, it does not fold all the way out, but it does reach a pretty big area there. And then this side here looks good. Of course, here got your nice LED lights shining up your. Got some pretty heavy duty wooden racks on this side. On this side, it has a compartment or piece of another wood here. Very good. It's got this here. Some dividers and crap in there. Very nice. Oh, very, very nice. Let's see. This door closes. This door closes. Let's check out your roof and what that looks like. Boom. Boom. And your roof looks good. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up here. Looks very nice. All right, thank you. So, likewise here, like at the other quarter, got a couple of dings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 5 dings on there. Your rear passenger steel wheel and your tire tread here is at 6/32. This sliding door looks good. This is what your side compartment looks like. Looks very, very nice. Again, the LED lights light it all up, and I really do like the wood look. This fender, this door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Ice cold AC. Fender here looks good. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. And your tire tread is just a hairline over 7/32. Let's double check it. Just at 7/32. Lights are working. Car looks great. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ford Transit T250 mid-roof short wheelbase with 11,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns? Don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.